Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we will explore how to use the Unity Asset Store to enhance your game development. What is the Unity Asset Store? The Unity Asset Store is an official digital marketplace where Unity users can find ready-made assets to speed up their game development process. It offers a wide range of content including 3D models, 2D sprites, animations, sound effects, music, code packages, shaders, tools, and templates. To access the Asset Store, go to the Unity editor and click on Window greater than Asset Store. Here, you can browse categories like 3D, 2D, audio, and tools. In Unity Asset Store, you can explore many categories and find models that suit your needs. There are many paid and free creators, and we extend our thanks to all of them. After finding the model you like in the Asset Store browser, click the Add to My Assets button to save it to your account. This allows you to access and download it later from the Package Manager in Unity. Now that we have added the model to our account, we go to the Package Manager in Unity and find our asset. After that, we first click Download, and then we will proceed with Import. In this pop-up window, you can see the assets included in the package. Additionally, you can select which ones you want to import or leave out. After adjusting the models, we click the Import button at the bottom. As you can see, our folder has now appeared in the project panel. From here, you can drag and drop any model into your scene and use it however you like. This makes it easy to integrate high-quality assets into your project without having to create everything from scratch. The Unity Asset Store is a fantastic resource for game development, helping developers save time and effort by providing ready-made models, textures, animations, sounds, and scripts. Whether you're working on a small personal project or a large-scale game, the Asset Store offers a wide range of assets to speed up development and enhance the quality of your game. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.